face it, water can be lots of fun. Until we need to drink it. No! Sure, we know it's healthy, but it just doesn't taste as exciting as all those flavored drinks, which means we drink a lot less water and a whole lot more of that junk.
Hey!
And that's a problem. A very big problem. So, we decided to put some fun into drinking water with the Right Cup. It's the world's first ever fruit-flavored cup designed to get people drinking more water. Sure, it might look simple, but it actually took 6 years of research and patented technologies to get where we are today. And we believe it's going to be a real game changer. So, how does it work?
Whoa!
Well, for starters, our brain identifies flavor using two main senses, taste and smell. That's why we inserted innovative, FDA-approved fruit scent and flavor directly into the Right Cup. So when you drink water from it, your nose picks up the fruity aroma, your tongue senses the hint of a sweet taste, and your brain yells, "Orange-flavored water!" When in fact, you're only drinking natural water.
Oh, wow, sounds great! But does it work?
Well, we asked ourselves that very same question. So we put the Right Cup to the test with our orange-flavored prototype.
Whoa, okay.
Wow,
You're kidding me, right?
what's in this?
This is not just water. It tastes like something else.
Just water? It's crazy.
Brilliant. Just brilliant.
Now that we know that it works, let's meet the team behind the idea.
For years, I've been researching and lecturing about scent marketing, showing how easy it is to manipulate the brain with smell. When I was 30, I was diagnosed with diabetes, and my doctors told me to drink only water, but I hated the taste. That's when I came up with the idea for the Right Cup.
After years of research and development, we've reached the stage where we need your support to turn the Right Cup into a reality.
The Right Cup is great for anyone who wants to cut down on sugary drinks and drink more water, which is basically everybody. Please help us change the lives of millions of people by supporting our project on Indiegogo. Together, we can make a real difference and turn the world into a better and healthier place, one cup at a time. Let's make drinking water fun again.
The most important thing to parents is their children's health. And today, we have so much access to information. Parents can track their children's health in lots of different ways, from lots of different devices. But the question is, how do you really hone in on what's most important? FeverSmart is a real-time smart thermometer that allows parents to track their children's temperature using their smartphone.
Our team has done a lot of research and studied what is currently available on the market, and there's a number of key problems with the current solution. Conventional thermometers can be difficult to use, uncomfortable for children, and most concerning, they only provide a one-time temperature reading.
There have been so many technological advancements, but thermometer technology hasn't changed in hundreds of years, which is crazy considering that it's the most basic indicator of health.
We identified this huge problem and knew that there had to be a better solution. So we created FeverSmart.
FeverSmart has some amazing features. It's wireless, continuous, cloud connected, and most importantly, notifies parents through our alert system.
FeverSmart is a preventative solution. It allows you to be proactive and track your child's temperature as it starts to rise, so you can intervene before there's a serious health problem.
Throughout the development process, we had children help us design the device. Whenever we had a new generation of the prototype developed, we would send it out to actual parents to see how feasible it was in the real world.
When we came away from our drawings with FeverSmart, we knew that it had to be non-invasive, very accurate, and provide immediate real-time data to the parents to provide them peace of mind and to give them the comfort that they needed.
Here's how it works. The FeverSmart system has three components: the reusable device, the disposable patch, and the relay unit. The parent applies the device to the child's underarm using a disposable patch. Next, the temperature data is transmitted via Bluetooth to the relay unit. The relay unit then forwards the data onto the cloud. Now your child's temperature can be accessed from anywhere around the world using your smart device.
Fever Smart is really great because it's so easy to use. Right as you take it out of the box, it's ready to go. You just pop in the battery and connect it to your smartphone.
Not only can you constantly monitor your children's temperature, but you can also track trends over time. As you track the data with Fever Smart, you can send the information directly to your pediatrician, which means that they can help you create better personalized healthcare solutions for your children.
Our device is finalized and ready to go. After 2 years of hard work, we have all the necessary safety certifications and we have a beautiful user interface on our app. With your help, we can fund the first round of manufacturing and bring the first products to market by the end of 2014.
So join us.
Join us.
Join us.
Join us and help Fever Smart bring peace of mind to millions of parents around the world.
Screen time. Kids love it. Exploring online is a key part of being a kid these days. But as parents, we need to set limits. Sometimes we want our kids to simply unplug and play outside. What if you could set those limits with the push of a button on your phone? What if you could do this from any location, like from your desk at work? Now you can. Introducing the Wi-Fi by Rybot, a pause button for your kids' Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi plugs into your current internet, creating a second network just for your kids. Just like that, your kids now have their own internet separate from yours. The companion app puts you in charge of their time on the internet. With a single tap, pause your kids' Wi-Fi. Tap again to resume it. Want to limit your kids to 30 minutes of Xbox? Just set your Wi-Fi timer, and in 30 minutes their internet turns off and they're done. Pause Wi-Fi when it's time for dinner and enjoy some quality family time. Turn Wi-Fi off at bedtime to ensure your kids get to sleep without online distractions. Give your kids the screen time they need to explore, learn, and have fun. Give yourself the peace of mind of being able to manage that screen time simply and stress-free. The Wi-Fi by Rybot. One device, one app, one cable to connect, and one big problem solved. Order yours today.
We need our coffee hot. What about babies? Definitely, they do not like their bottled milk when it is cold. I have seen babies crying in train, bus, restaurant. Mostly they do not like to take the bottled milk because it's not at the same temperature which their mom have bottled up before hours. I could not see a baby crying for a small difference in temperature because that's make all the difference. Having my background in thermal science, mechanical engineering and electrical engineering, I know I have to solve the problem faced by our moms in bottle feeding. Presenting the world's most advanced baby bottle, Proact Mom, which heats the milk in the bottle with the push of a button. Proact Mom warms and holds the milk temperature for hours. It is detachable, easy to clean, and simple to use. Proact Mom has an intelligent heating control with 3 easy functions for heating: defrost, warm, and boil. Proact Mom unique feature allows to detect the temperature of the milk and indicate when it is just right to feed your baby. Lithium-ion battery allows for multiple reuse in a single charge. To suit your need on the go, you can use the micro USB port on Proact Mom to charge using a mobile charger, car charger, or from a laptop. The food-grade heating element is designed for efficient heat transfer and control intelligently so that it maintains all the vitamins and minerals. We have teamed up some of the brilliant minds across the industry, and for the past 1.5 years we put so much effort in prototyping, developing and testing in order to make the next generation baby bottle, Proact Mom, a reality. While stopping a baby crying for a small difference in the temperature, we didn't forget the babies crying in hunger. Hence, we plan to donate $1 to Save the Children organization for every bottle you purchase. So what you're waiting for? Back us today so you can be the first mom and dad to have the next generation baby bottle Proact Mom for your baby. Please spread the word about Proact Mom so we know you don't want the baby to cry.
Amaryll, the individual manual breast pump. breastfeeding makes life easier. The Amaryll manual breast pump from Ardo ensures your baby gets your precious breast milk even when you can't be with them. With the Amaryll manual pump, there's no need for electricity, and it is very easy to use and easy to clean. The Amaryll manual breast pump is available in 2 models. The standard model, the Amaryll Start, is the affordable yet high-quality choice. You can add optional accessories and attachments at any time. The Amaryll includes more accessories, including 3 different breast shell sizes and a soft silicone massage insert so you can find the right breast shell size for you. When you have selected the correct breast shell size to suit you, the nipple moves freely in the funnel and follows the rhythmic movements of the pump. The ergonomic handle has room for all your fingers, and the thumb can be positioned, allowing you to pump more comfortably and with less effort. To pump, center the breast shell over your nipple and start pumping using short, rapid movements to begin with. Once the milk starts to flow, switch to slow pumping movements. Press the lever as far as is comfortable for you. The Amaryll is ideal for right and left-handers and can also be operated easily by mums with smaller hands. The Ardo Amaryll, the individual manual breast pump for efficient ergonomic pumping.